it is spinning around. Nice. What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be working on the first gen Toyota pickup again. First task is going to be getting this transmission cleaned up and the covers sealed on it. That way we can get this thing tossed in and then move on to the transfer case. Where did you get pumpkins?
They're free. A guy brought them to me. He grills them.
You dropped one.
I didn't drop nothing. Here, I'll hold this. Here.
That went in a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know where that. The transmission is officially back in. Finally got this thing cleaned up after quite a bit of time getting all the grease and grime off that. I wanted it clean, that way if there's any oil leaks I'd be able to see where the new ones are coming from, but it should be good to go now. I got this top cover sealed. There was nothing on that when I took it apart. That, as well as the new bushings and seal on this thing. Other than that, it should be ready to go. Just need to put the slave on and then we will put the T-case in. Okay, so now that the trans is in, we're gonna start working on getting the T-case in. This is a Trail Gear complete T-case with 4.7 gears. I ended up going this route simply because it had the 4.7 gears in it and it is already done and it is not that much more expensive and we can just toss it in. So that's why we went with this. This is a forward shift. And since I'm not doing dual cases, I just decided to get this one. That way I didn't have to add an extra hole for the top shift. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and silicone put on and we'll toss it in. Yes, I'm totally leaving that in the video. Make sure you got your lube. Okay, we're gonna do this the old tried and true way. Wrench, 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 wrench.
I thought you were gonna be doing stuff.
Most people would use power tools. Like I said in the last video, I'm trying to get swole in the shaft, so. Keep that hand pump strong, because it's my right hand, and I use my right hand a lot. All right, transfer case is put back in, as well as the cross member and a new T-case mount. Now what I'm gonna do is I threw the rear third back in. I'm gonna set the pinion flange back in here because I want to measure for a driveline. I want to convert this back one to a double cardan. So what I'm gonna do is get my measurement there, and then I can order one from Tom Woods and be able to have that once I get back and working on this again. But other than that, it is going along smoothly. Just got a few more things to button up as far as the engine and tran goes, and then we're done there. As well as the exhaust manifolds, I'll have to get those on, and I can start building my exhaust portion back to. All right, so we're gonna measure for the rear drive line here. You wanna go center of this flange to center of that flange. If you're just gonna roughly set this in here, make sure you don't forget your bearings or you won't have the correct spacing. So we'll put that in there, and then we'll just set this flange up there. That's the correct spacing for it. And you wanna hold that one.
You need the dumb one.
And that just goes to the center of that, and then you can kind of eyeball this, turn it sideways, put it right. Yeah, that'll work. All right, so we're right at 44 because there's a little bit of a gap back here, about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4. So I'm making up for that, and 44 inches. Sweet. I got her made. So that's gonna wrap up this video. It's getting late and I'm tired, so we're gonna work on some of the other things in the following video. Make sure you drop a comment down below what you think of this thing so far, and a like as well. That definitely helps out the video with YouTube. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.